So, welcome back to my channel. I like to clap. I don't know why. It's just weird. It's just part of
It's
me.
not weird. That's who you are.
I don't know why. Welcome back to my channel. Anyway, welcome back to my channel, gorgeous people. Hope you all are all doing great today. Today is totally something different we are doing. If you can see this beauty beside me. Yeah.
Hi.
That's my friend and she's my mentor so we happen to be living in the same area and I came across her and she has been a YouTuber for some years now. She kind of motivated me, she told me, "Yo, you can do this." I was like, okay. So I started my own channel too, and I know it's slowly but surely, I will get there.
Yes.
So I will just keep doing what I enjoy doing. I love to do fashion, I love makeup, I love to go out, and I just like to be positive, okay?
You need to see her in person. She's always dressed. Let's go eat McDonald's. She's like,
well,
pretty.
that's part of my life, okay?
Yeah.
So today we'll be doing a 5 minutes makeup challenge. Oh my god, it's gonna be really funny. I've done something like that before on my channel and that was just me alone. So today, doing it with my friend, my mentor, I'm so kind of scared a little bit, but we'll get through it. So that is what we have for you guys today, and you guys need to check out our channel too because we're going to be dropping something else there.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
So
So don't judge me on this. Don't judge me on this because I've tried 5-minute challenge for years. I never posted it on my channel because it's always a failure for me. So this is going to be something new for me, not new for you,
not new for
but new for me. But I think we're going to be okay, and I hope you guys enjoy.
Yes. So let's get this ball rolling.
Okay.
And of course.
So we're gonna be doing 5 minutes and time start. You
right
press
about
it
now.
Woo. Okay.
Woo.
This is crazy.
My heartbeat is going like
It's already crazy.
I can't even scroll the pen.
No judgment.
I think I'm just going to skip gel liner this time. I don't think I can do that. I don't even do my brows on the camera. I'm always doing it off camera because they don't look alike at the end of the day. They look weird. So if I do it off the camera, I kind of make it neat.
Okay. This is hard.
I'm just going to use this pencil throughout. I wanted to use the gel to fill it in, but...
What are you using right now?
Pencil by Milani.
By Lani.
Yep.
Woo. Okay. I think. Yeah. I think I'm...
What do y'all think?
Yeah, I think it's coming out.
I'm just... Girl... I don't know.
I don't even know. We have to make this entertaining, right?
Right.
So
right.
I'm gonna be using this to clean my
my very own LA Pro concealer.
It's always a go-to because LA Pro concealer, it's really affordable and it's really good. It's really good. Over the years, it's been good to me, so I don't think I have a replacement for it. This is hard!
So I'm gonna leave this brow like this. I think I'm done with the brows.
How many more minutes do we have?
I don't even know.
Oh!
So this is
Did you look at the minute? We had 2 minutes.
Shine Killer by NYX. I gotta prime this oily part of my face.
Oh my god.
Especially my nose. Ooh.
Okay.
Going in with Milani 2-in-1 perfect concealer. Shaking it. Just few pump.
Black opal. Never fail.
Dot.
can't even talk and do 5 minutes. I don't know what's wrong with my skin though.
Change your cream or?
No, I use a new what do you call this? Before you use serum, I forgot what you call it.
Before you use serum?
Before you use serum in your face, you have to balance your skin first.
Oh.
So I just tried a new day one. I don't think it's good for my skin at all because I think it's breaking me out. Okay. Oh my God, we have 1 more minute left.
1 more minute?
Yeah, like about.
Are you serious?
I'm not lying. I'm really serious.
Okay.
Oh, this is a failure.
Woo! Okay.
Ooh.
We all can't believe it. We are thinking of we're gonna use false lashes. It's not working. I gotta pop in a very loud lipstick.
We have 41 minutes. 41 seconds.
Uh-huh.
Yeah. How do you do it? How do you do 5 minutes? Okay. I think I'm gonna go. This is epic failure.
Woo!
What is this?
Oh my
I
God.
didn't even get to do anything.
No blush brush. I didn't bring blush brush.
You can use mine.
Oh, we are out of time.
How do people do it?
Oh my God.
That's it.
That's it. This is about what we can get to do under 5 minutes.
I still got my scarf on, so
Yeah.
right there. That is so cute. Look at that. Look at this girl.
Can you imagine that brows?
No, really, your brow is really good though.
What is it?
No, yeah.
Well, I just.
No, you're a pro.
Am I a pro?
Yeah, you're a pro.
What do you all think? We try. But you know, if I really want this look to, I'm just like.
Yeah, let me see. Let me see if I take my scarf off.
Okay.
Is it going to? Not really.
No.
Yeah,
But
not bad.
Not bad.
Mhm.
Yeah. So.
Not bad.
Okay.
So nice to meet you guys. I
Yeah.
hope you guys enjoyed this channel and this video. If you do, please do not forget to subscribe to our channel. You guys are going to enjoy who she is whenever she's ready to open up. I don't blame her because I'm just like her. I'm like a closed person. I don't like to put my stuff out there, but she's a very good person and you guys are going to enjoy her. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and do not forget to check out my channel. We're going to leave it down below.
Yes.
Love you guys.
Thank you all for
Bye.
watching. Bye.
Mwah.